Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see remove friends on Snapchat. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open the Snapchat application in your mobile. Now when you are here, you just have to tap on this chat icon in the bottom. So this will be your current friend list. Like I have these friends here. Now what you have to do is, let's say, so you just have to open any conversation with any friend here. Tap on his Bitmoji. Now just look carefully. When this person is your friend, you must see his or her ID code here. As you can see this person's ID code as well, because this is your friend. Now let's go back to the chat section and tap on this plus or add friend icon in the top right. Now just open random person here, let's say this one. Tap on his name, and now as you can see, this person removed or delete by you or not add yet. You can't find his or her ID code in there. So that's how you can see remove friends on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.